A concussion is a brain injury caused by a blow to the head or a violent shaking of the head and body. After receiving a concussion, many things can happen to the brain. Convergence insufficiency is an extremely common problem that becomes apparent after a person is concussed. Convergence insufficiency is a decreased ability to converge the eyes and maintain binocular vision while focusing on a near target, such as reading or working on the computer. To increase awareness of the mind's vergence system, patients use the Brock string as a visual therapy treatment. The string was invented by Frederick Brock, who developed it as a tool to help him fix his own vision problem. To use the Brock string, begin by tying one end to a fixed point, such as a chair or doorknob. Place one fixation bead at the end of the cord by the doorknob. Place the other fixation beads randomly so that the closest one is 4 inches from you. Stand directly in front of the fixed point facing it. Hold the cord up to the bridge of your nose so that the cord is stretched taut between yourself and the doorknob. Be sure your fingers do not block the vision from the other eye. Look at the near fixation bead. You should keep the closest bead single and clear as you are directly looking at it. If the close bead is double, this indicates an eye teaming problem. If this occurs, move the near bead closer or farther away until you see it as it becomes a single bead. The near bead should be moved closer and closer as the task becomes easier. Eventually, the near bead should only be 1 inch from the bridge of your nose. As you look at the near fixation bead, you should see 2 strings as though one was coming from each eye. If your fixation of the bead is accurate, the 2 strings should appear to meet exactly at the bead, forming an X. Shift fixation from bead to bead. Change the location of the fixation beads and repeat again. Slowly turn your head from side to side through an angle of about 45 degrees, maintaining your vision of the 2 strings at all times. Some suggestions are, try to be aware of the other object in your field of view as you practice. You may need to begin with 1 bead at a time to help understand concepts. Slowly rotate your body in a circular manner while keeping your eyes on the bead at all times as you rotate. Don't just turn your head, get your whole body moving. Rotate 10 times in one direction and then 10 times in the other direction. Repeat steps 3 and 4 looking at each of the other beads on the string. Remember to align your eyes on the bead that you are looking at so that you see the string crossing exactly at the bead.